Hi and welcome to Kipa's Creative Flow again. We are taking part in the Junk Journal January challenge, which is hosted by Meg Journals and Get Messy Art Journal. And this journal here has been created by the Pink Zebra UK. So this was a blank journal which I bought in a mystery box kit thing when I was first starting out. So our prompt today is stickers. So all I've done is pulled out the sticker back box, but I haven't pulled out I've got separate smaller boxes which are this big, A4 size, of just alphabets and just numbers. So I've not pulled those out. So this is the other bits. So let's just have a quick look so I want to work on this page, but or even just this little section, because I know we've got some more prompts to go. But I thought first of all, let's choose, keeping the mustard colour in mind, or even the pink so keeping these colours in mind, keep that to the side. We're just going to have a little scout through here. So, or actually straight away, that is not a sticker, but it's a top-up. I was just thinking that looked cute on the, gotta stick to the sticker. Sticking to the stickers. So we might make a bit of noise here. These are rub-ons, so I don't know if I suppose they've got some sticky element to them. They could pass as stickers, right? Let's carry on. Sorry about the noise. If you want to skip ahead, you can, obviously. What is this? Oh, got golf something. Concentrate on what you're looking for. Thank you. Possibly that one and that one. Any ones that I'm saying maybe to, they're going out. Maybe not, actually, with the colours. Just thinking of that yellow. That might go. Let's add that in. These are blingy stickers. A lot of these are 3D ones. Bad to sneeze, sorry. What? Sorry, excuse me. Thank you. Oh, here. That might go nice. Go nice with the lilac and the light blue on the other side, possibly. I think that's going to be more than enough. I don't think we'll go through all of those, but we can give it a bash. What have we got in here? Oh, some crocheted something or other. Nice. Yeah, I need to sort this out, really. What are you? Oh, your velvet. Your magic foil. Actually, the other foil can go in here, can't it? You've got the glue dots and foil, yes. Let's do that. The one that we used the other day. Let's pop that in here as well. Yep. Not that there's not enough stuff in there. Goodness me. Oh, this box was from IKEA many moons ago. It's lit. Yeah, it does go on. I'm just parking that on the floor, and we're just gonna have a look at what we're gonna use and where we're gonna use it. So I really like this one. Maybe we could add this here, because we've started a little flower there. Possibilities. And the thing with stickers is, once it's down, it's just like a really easy thing to do, isn't it? So now I've got to be careful and mindful that what I use doesn't clash with this kind of design, so I might have to just go with one sheet. Let's have a look in here. Oh, stuck to the plastic. So just gonna have to string. Oh, that's lovely, isn't it? It's got one button in the middle as well. thinking, would that actually, unless we add it to the top of here. Got nature as well. Well, you wanted to do this, so let's use these for this one first. Definitely add this somewhere. I think here, yeah, I think here will really pop. And we've got little baby one. Should we add this one so it matches this colour on that side? Now what shall we use? This is really epic, isn't it? This scroll type thing. Could even go on the edge, or even on the bottom actually. So let us just tear this bit up and fold it. See what that looks like. Let's go down a bit. Now let's tear this diagonal so that we've got a, so we still see some of that punch. That's the one. And this could actually possibly turn to a little pocket to put things in. So I'm going to glue that actually. I'm just going to glue it on this fold that we just folded up. Oh, the birds are really loud this afternoon. Okay, tuck you in and around. Just gonna press that down with my nail. I'm gonna make sure this is actually off here as well. Kind of matches. Actually, shall we just tuck that? And let's just glue this bit, otherwise it's gonna be faffy, isn't it? Oops. Just on that edge, just so that it stays down. Right, so this epic flourish. Oh, is it too big now? I didn't really want it there. Okay. Sorry, I'm gonna have to use you somewhere else. You're not big enough. What else can we use? I do want to cover this guy now, even though he's lovely. Should we just go with our butterfly? And leave the birds popping up. Actually, I could add the other bit of that, this bit which we just took off. Let's add that there. To get rid of some of this bright red bit. Should I add, sorry, it is quite sticky, but I was just thinking let's just add a tiny bit just to make sure. You just keep building the picture up with the whatever elements you've got, really. Just thinking, should we add something? See, that's going to be too much if we add that. What about our other sheet? Yes, we had this floral thing here, the basket. Oh, this one. It's got the blue in the bird. Basket or the bird, basket or the bird. Unless we omit all of that and add the heart. Yeah, I might do that. Yeah, because it's got these colours in there, hasn't it? So I might start off with this heart here. And then keep this heart in an upside down fashion. Should we just go in with the flourish we were going on about? We could cut it down, can't we? So we're going to be missing. This is this. Eek. So just going to miss this bit here. And this bit. Wow, making a lot of racket downstairs. Don't know if you can hear that. Should we do it so that it all fully fits? Oh, glad we did that. I'm just going to press it down with my thumb to make sure it goes in, because this is like a handmade type paper, looks like. So that's cool. That's coming together. We could add Antiquity Flowers by K and Company. Oh, how did you go? Oh yeah, you're the flourishes. Did you want to carry on up here? Is that too weird? Well, actually, you could be corners. Oh, didn't waste them. That's good. Because here I was thinking of adding a tag. Where's that other tag that we had in the last prompt, which we didn't use? Aha! So we could add this in here. Could go either way, can't it? Because it's got a heart on it. Should we add a sticker on here? Maybe could add some more of this ribbon from the last prompt. Okay. Okay, I'm just going to cut. We only need this much. Oh, that's cool. And then what sticker can we add on here? Nothing too fancy. What about just thinking more about just these grapes. Then it will tie in with that side, won't it? Oh, the birdie. No, the grapes. Actually, it's going to stick out like a sore thumb on that, isn't it? Might change it to this starry thing. Still going to stick out. We could cut it in a bit more, but it won't stick out as much as the other one. Oh, it's got a little bee. Gotta add the bee somewhere. What's the bee gonna be doing? come into the flower, near the flower. Then we could possibly add a little flower, a couple of flowers on the bottom of this tag as well. I'm going to just use the back of my nail to incorporate that into the tag. Alrighty. Probably needs a few more, but for now I think we're going to leave it at that. It could even go this way, can't it? Yeah, that's cute. Sorry. So that's our prompt. This was stickers, and I'm glad I got this one in. And this is our tag, which fits there. We could obviously ink more and stuff, but I think for now that's pretty cool. Okay then, see you tomorrow. Bye.